Hello everyone. Till now we have created feed forward neural network and we have trained our model on X train and Y train. In training phase, our model has updated its own weight with the help of optimization algorithm, that is stochastic gradient descent. So till now we have trained our model, but we haven't checked how it is performing on the unseen data. So X train and Y train consists of the seen data. For example, we have provided all ones written with a exact straight line, but whether it can identify slightly slanted line which indicates one. So we have to check performance of this model on the unseen data. So where is unseen data? Unseen data is available in xtest and ytest. So xtest dot shape, it indicates that there are 10,000 images which our neural network has not yet seen. Now on this 10,000 images we have to check performance of the neural network. So for that we have to use model.evaluate. It is same as model.fit. So in model.evaluate we have to pass x underscore test, y underscore test, that is the image and the actual value associated with that image. We have also created batch size is equal to 100. Let's check out what is meant by model.evaluate first, and then we will execute that. Okay, so model.evaluate and then put question marks after it, execute the cell. So it returns the loss value and matrices value for the model in the test mode. So what is meant by test mode? Here we are not going to update the weight of neural network. This is important. In test mode we are not going to update the weight anymore. Our weights are settled down. Now we have to just use those weight as it is to check performance of neural network on the unseen data. So we have passed x, we have passed y, we have passed batch size, and as it is returning loss and the matrix value, we have to specify loss and accuracy over here and just execute this cell. Okay, so we have received accuracy 97.68% and loss is 0.07. Our training accuracy is also 98.73% and our evaluated accuracy is 97.68%. So from the result it is observed that our model is also working great with the unseen data. This is how you can evaluate your model on the unseen data. Thank you for watching the video.